Today we're looking at the Pingel low-mount CB antenna kit designed specifically for 09-12 Harley-Davidson touring models. This product offers an affordable solution for relocating your antenna down low, ensuring it stays out of the way of your detachable luggage rack or tour pack. One of the key benefits of this kit is that it eliminates the need to change the antenna location every time you install or remove the tour pack from your bike. This convenience can save you a lot of time and hassle, making it a must-have for any radio-equipped bagger. The kit includes all the necessary hardware and features a polished stainless steel bracket, ensuring both durability and a sleek appearance. Installation is straightforward, as the bracket mounts to the rear fender support brackets. However, it's important to note that this kit will not fit on models with saddlebag fillers, so be sure to check your bike setup before purchasing. Crafted in the USA, the Pingel low-mount CB antenna kit reflects high-quality American manufacturing standards. Its design not only enhances the functionality of your bike, but also maintains its aesthetic appeal. The silver color of the bracket blends seamlessly with the rear fender support brackets, providing a clean and integrated look. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend warrior, this antenna relocation kit is an excellent addition to your Harley-Davidson touring model. It allows you to keep your antenna in a fixed, low position, reducing the need for constant adjustments and ensuring optimal radio performance. Plus, the polished stainless steel bracket adds a touch of elegance to your bike, making it look as good as it performs. In summary, the Pingel low-mount CB antenna kit offers an effective, affordable, and aesthetically pleasing solution for relocating your antenna. It's easy to install, made with high-quality materials, and specifically designed for 09-12 Harley-Davidson touring models. If you're looking to enhance the functionality and appearance of your bike while saving yourself the hassle of frequent antenna adjustments, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.